Hi, friends. Okay, so this week's current event article for social studies is called Sharing Happiness. Okay, so let's see what it's about. People are staying home more now, and they are helping to stop the spread of the coronavirus. People may feel sad or scared. Some people are sharing happiness in neighborhoods. They are helping others feel better. People are putting lights onto their homes, and others can see the lights, and the lights can help others feel better. People are putting teddy bears in their windows. Others see the teddy bears, and the teddy bears can help others feel better. All right, so that was our story for the week. What kind of things do you guys think you can do to make other people feel better, to share happiness? You could do lots of things. Like they said, you could put lights on your house or put teddy bears in your window. Or I've seen a lot of people put hearts on their window and make different decorations. You could write someone a letter and tell them you're thinking about them. Send them a card. Color a pretty picture for someone and mail it to them. There's tons of things that you can do. So if you guys are doing anything to spread happiness, you can let Miss Pepper know and just comment on the video whenever I post it. So let's look at this week's recipe. Oh, rainbow fruit salad. That sounds delicious. Let's see what's all in it. Strawberries, cantaloupe, pineapples, green grapes, purple grapes, honey, and lime juice. Oh my goodness. If anybody makes this fruit salad, I want you to snap a picture and send it to Miss Pepper. I love fruit salad. All right. So it's saying how you make a fruit salad. You just cut up all your fruit basically and you put it in a bowl, and then you're going to put your honey and lime juice in, and you're going to stir it. And you're going to mix everything all together, and then you're going to eat it. Oh my goodness, I bet that would be delicious. Fruit is so good for you too. Here's our favorite part. Here's our jokes. Ready? Knock, knock. Who's there? Share. Share who? Share is good to help others. Get it? It's supposed to be sure is good to help others. All right, what's our second joke of the week? I have a joke. Tell me, where do horses live? I don't know where. In neighborhoods. Oh, that's funny. All right, so here are 2 assignments that are going to be due for this week for our social studies current event article. Choose the pictures about sharing happiness. Let's see. Was neighborhoods in our story? Let's see.
Neighborhood.
Yes, it was. Was there a video game controller in our story at all? No, I don't think so. What about happiness? Was happiness in our story? Yes, it was.
Happiness.
You can share happiness by doing all sorts of things. So here is a picture of share. We know that was in our story. What about clothes? Did we talk about clothes at all in our story today? No, we didn't really talk about clothes, but what about home? Did we talk about things you could do to your home to spread happiness? Yes, we did. Let's see.
Home.
Yes, so there are your 4 pictures that you are going to pick. Neighborhood, happiness, home, and share. All right, so let's answer our questions. What is the paper about? Greta Thunberg and Earth, Stress Awareness Month, or sharing happiness? Yes, it was about sharing happiness. And what are people helping to stop the spread of? Are we stopping the spread of butter, of gossip, or of the coronavirus? Yes, we are trying to stop
coronavirus.
The spread of the coronavirus, which is why we're all supposed to be staying at home, and we're not going to school, and we're not going a lot of places because we're trying not to spread the virus and make more people sick. Where are people sharing happiness? Are they sharing it in forests, in deserts, or in their neighborhoods? In their neighborhoods. Yes, that is exactly where they are sharing them. All right, so now this says, what makes you feel better? And here you can just pick whichever one makes you feel better. Either
Lights.
lights,
Chalk art.
chalk art, music,
Teddy bears.
teddy bears, or you can think of your own thing to do that makes you feel better. All right, guys, that's all we have for this week's Social Studies Current Event article. I hope you enjoyed reading this along with me and discussing it with me. And I'll be posting the assignments shortly, and you have this week to work on them. So I will see you soon. Bye.